When your Sceptre monitor won't turn on, power issues are the most likely culprit, affecting 35 to 40% of all monitor problems. Let's systematically diagnose the root cause. First, examine the power LED indicator on your monitor. A green or blue light means the monitor is on, orange or red indicates standby mode, and no light suggests a power problem. If there's no power LED, test the power source. Plug another device into the same outlet to verify it's working. Try different power strips and check your circuit breakers. A multimeter can help verify proper voltage output. Carefully examine the power cable for any signs of damage. Look for frayed wires, bent connectors, cuts, or kinks. Ensure all connections are secure at both the monitor and wall outlet ends. If the power LED is lit but you see no display, the issue is likely signal-related rather than power-related. This means your monitor is receiving power correctly, but there's a problem with the display signal from your computer. Now, we'll walk through systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve power and display problems with your Sceptre monitor. First, perform a capacitor reset. This discharges any stored electrical charge that might be causing issues. Unplug the monitor from power, then hold the power button for 15 to 30 seconds. This ensures all capacitors are fully discharged. For monitors with external power adapters, test the adapter's voltage output using a multimeter. Most Sceptre monitors require 12 or 19 volts. If the monitor powers on but shows no display, cycle through all input sources using the monitor's menu buttons. The monitor might be set to the wrong input. Test different cables and connection types. A faulty cable is often the culprit behind display issues. Connect the monitor to a different computer or device to determine if the issue is with the monitor or the original device. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider the monitor's age and warranty status. For monitors older than 3 to 5 years, replacement is often more cost-effective than repair.